Hey there, this is April Jensen. I hope you had an amazing holiday. We had quite an intense one. We ended up moving during the holidays, and so that was kind of crazy. We'd planned on moving in a few months, but then situations turned out that it would be best to do it right then during the holidays. So suddenly, rather than having 2 months to get all ready to move, we had 2 days. So that was exciting, but we've been able to make it into the new place and have a good situation going, and I'm excited because there's ample room to be able to have my workshops here, and so I'm excited to be able to work with some of you this year. I am thinking I'm only going to have probably 2 or 3 students at each one because I would prefer to do just something calmer like that. That way I can make sure and give each of you the attention that you deserve, and we can make sure that you come home with a doll that you've sculpted. So that can be a lot of fun. It was really hard to go through the whole pandemic type thing and go without all that connecting and the fun times that we have during the workshops. So keep your eyes posted. If anyone has interest in coming out and there's a time that works for you, right now things are pretty open. So I'm open to which doll and that type of stuff that you'd like to do. I'm planning on doing some babies this year. I think I might even get up to doing a full scale baby too, just because those are pretty fun to do, and especially the mini ones and the half size. So you can be looking forward to that. I just wanted to show you my little, let's see, how do we do this? Okay, there we go. She is so sweet. I have her sitting in the bathroom because my bathroom is mermaid and, ocean themed basically. So she's been sitting there. And then, so has this little sweetie too. There she is. These are so fun to do. These are also embedded in the resin here, so they're kind of laying in a pool of water is how it goes. So those are fun to do too. So I guess the main thing is I wanted to ask you what kind of projects you'd like to see this coming year. I plan on doing many more of the sculpt boxes because those have been pretty fun to do, and I find that I love designing the dolls. That's what's the funnest for me, and then to teach how to do it, and then to see the kind of work that you guys do with it. We've started to get some momentum going over at Sculpt University. I'm glad to see that open again, and it's been really, really fun to be able to connect with you there. We had a little bit of a hiccup. The last couple weeks were kind of crazy for me with the quick move and everything, but just wanted to let you know that I'm back and I'm here. I'll be sculpting with you, and I will let you know as soon as I am ready to do a live class just as a broadcast and see how that goes. I want to do one just to see how well we can all tune into each other and see if we can get Zoom working or whichever platform that I end up using. But I'm excited to be able to sculpt a lot more with you and spend more FaceTime with you too. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that everything's a go here and we're getting all situated and ready to be teaching you a lot more fun sculpting stuff. I do have a video that I created already that was a doll that honestly she was going to start out as a witch, but then as the time went by she was going to then be Mrs. Claus, which is kind of more the look I gave her. And then in the end I didn't get finished with her yet, but the face turned out really good and I got the videos done, so I want to share those with you too. I think you'll get a kick out of it. Anyway, I hope you are well. I'm excited for a new year together, and hopefully we can make a lot of progress with our sculpting and goals in life. Take care.